Hey guys, what's up? In this video I will show you how to fix an HP Compaq laptop with black screen, no image on screen. Backlight is okay, but no image on screen. So let's fix it.
Please subscribe. Press the bell icon.
I already changed LVDS cable and LCD, but same problem, no image on screen. At first I need to check EDID clock and EDID data in LCD connector on motherboard. Pin number 5 EDID clock 3.3 volt is present. Pin number 6 EDID data 3.3 volt is present. As you can see, the LCD connector direct connect to the NOT bridge. Let's check the NOT bridge is okay or bad. Now I will check some voltage. In this coil 1.0 volt is present, other side 1.0 volt is present. Here also 1.0, other side 1.0. Let's check another coil. In this coil 1.5 volt is present, other side 1.5 volt is present. Here also 1.0, other side 1.0. In this coil 1.8 volt is present, other side of this coil 1.8 is present. Here also 1 volt, other side 1 volt is present. In this coil 1.8 volt is present, other side of this coil no voltage is present. Let's find out why here no voltage. Now I will check if there is any short. It's fully short to ground, so it can be bad NOT bridge or capacitor. So we remove those two capacitor and check again. Short is gone, no more short here. Let's turning on. .8 volt is present, other side. So we find out this capacitor is short. So let's see a display come or not. Turning on, the image is come. We successfully fixed the problem. Thank you guys.